Edwards, and I am a 4-H Youth Program Associate from Platte County, Missouri. And today we're going to make my favorite campfire treat, banana boats. This is a great recipe to do if your family is grilling. So if you're like grilling burgers, you can have this recipe as a dessert. So the first thing we do when we're cooking is make sure that we have cleaned all the surfaces and that we've washed our hands. So I've done that already, and now I've gathered my equipment and my ingredients. So I'm gonna need aluminum foil, bananas, a butter knife, different fillings. So I have coconut and pineapple for one banana, and then I have some marshmallows, mini of course, and chocolate. If you don't have chocolate chips, you can do what I've done and cut up a mini chocolate bar. So now I'm going to make a deep cut into my banana. I'm not going to cut all the way through my banana, and I'm going to make sure to use a cutting board while I'm doing this, just in case. It's okay if your cut is a little lopsided. You may want it a little bit bigger because this is going to act like our pocket, where we're gonna put all the toppings or fillings in our banana. And then I peeled back the skin of my banana, and now I'm gonna put some toppings in it. So now you see that you can't fit that many toppings in it. So using a spoon, you're gonna want to kind of push down that banana. And if you're making one yourself, you can even push it down with your fingers, as long as you've washed your hands, so that you can fit a little bit more toppings in it. But don't push down too hard or you'll break the banana a little bit. But mine didn't do too bad. And I have pineapple in as well. I'm gonna do my other one. I have some marshmallows in my other one already. I'm gonna push mine down too. Now I'm eating these myself, but if you're making this for someone else, you're gonna want to use a spoon and put them inside. Now I am going to wrap my banana boats in aluminum foil and then go out and put them on the grill. So my banana boat is really bowl, you're gonna wanna make sure that you don't tip it upside down. If you don't pack yours with as much filling, then you can not worry about that as much. All right, and so my banana boats are now ready for the grill. So now I'm gonna put the banana boats on the grill. I'm using my tongs to put the banana boats both on the grill and off the grill as an extra precaution. They'll be on the grill in the center for about 5 minutes. And then when you take them off, make sure to use those tongs again and wait for a few minutes because the aluminum foil will be hot. If you're a little bit anxious and want to see if they're done, you can use those tongs to check to see if the peel has been blackened or charred a little bit. If it's been blackened or charred, that's okay. You want that banana to be really mushy and everything to melt, like the marshmallow and the chocolate.